Now you may notice I have a Bentley on the bench and I'm surrounded by Bentley bits, which puts me in a very happy space because I'm known for messing around with these on social media. And because of that, a chap called Dennis Ray contacted me and he said, Skid, I've got a Bentley I started to restore, it's all in pieces, if you get a van, get down to Portsmouth, you can have it for nothing. So I duly went down there and here it is. Now the first thing I always do, and I highly recommend it, is do a dry build. Well, what's a dry build? A dry build is basically putting all the bits you've gathered together and see what's there, what's missing and what's knackered.